It seems to look bad. Somebody's Christmas present. That's kind of sad. Well, that's actually real sad. Yeah, there's flashes I saw last night. Word the tornado. Power line. It's in Midfield. Look how beautiful sunset is. Little dog cage. I hope the dog was a cat or well. Nobody was killed, so very fortunate. You know, material things can be replaced, but people can't. And I know that's easy to say, not being in that position, having everything lost, but I guess I'm just trying to find the positive in it. Nobody did, thank God. No, it's not my home. It's his home. Willie. He's been crying real hard. His name's Willie. He's been crying. He's in shock right now. He's just been standing there forever looking at his house. Yeah, we did, but it's terrible. He just wanted to be left alone. He can't. Poor Willie. I'll say a prayer for Willie. Alright, let me go over. I'm gonna go over and talk to Willie real quick, okay? I don't mean to cut off in the middle of you guys. No, nobody died. I'll give Willie your love, okay? I wasn't in it. I just came down here after it, because they set up a little place to help the people who were hurt. Or, you know, no loss of life, loss of heart, I guess.
Waking up to.
Hold up, Nolly.
Were you guys in it?
No, that's my sister-in-law mom's house.
Your sister-in-law? Oh, you look like you're gonna cry.
Yes.
Oh, give me a hug. Come on. Oh, hey, buddy, you need a hug too?
You don't want to have 5.
You're 5?
He want to high five.
Oh, high five? Thank you, buddy. Don't cry, please. What's your name? Shane. I'm so sorry. Did you? I hope it was a nice Christmas. Otherwise.
Yeah.
Everybody's okay in the house, so that's good.
You know what? I was saying earlier that
Mom, your teeth look ugly.
I'm sitting here saying, well, you know, there are material things that you can replace as long as it's not life. But it's easy for me to say when I'm not the one who lost everything I have. You know.
Well, we done been through something like this. We went through a bad fire. We went through a fire. You know, that left like, well, 20 units, baby. Was it 10 units or 12? 12 units out of, you know, a place to stay. So I know what it feels to lose everything. So
God bless you, sir.
But I'm just glad everybody okay.
Me
I'm just
too.
glad everybody okay. That's
Me
the main
too.
thing.
Daddy, look! Daddy, look!
And then you can see the across the street. There's the tree. And there's the path through the woods over there.
Daddy, go down here. Daddy, go down here.
Broken-hearted. I couldn't tell you. I can ask a police officer real quick who's standing right near me. If you would like me to know. Do you know how many houses were damaged?
No, I don't know. But looking at it, I know it's like 4 or 5 right here.
Yeah, there's 4 or 5 right here, but they won't let me go back in there any further. I can ask them. Do you know how many houses were damaged? How many blocks? No idea? You're just on this one? Okay, thank you. They don't know, but it's several blocks. Obviously way back in there too. So, I'm gonna walk over here real quick. Oh, it's not my trouble. I mean, it is my trouble because it's my community, but you know, sorry, it's so hot out here. It's really hot for this time of year. So it's like 83 degrees out here at this. Sorry, so I apologize. Yeah, see, it's this whole area. That's where a tree landed on his truck. Now see these houses over here too. God bless you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Cars just crushed. Just blows me away how the cars are just, I mean, there's really literally nothing left. You know what I mean? It's just unbelievable. And they said this was a really small tornado. Look, here's his washing machine. How odd is that? I think that's something they probably try to salvage. I don't know. Alright. Thanks guys for all you're watching. Hi Texas, I heard y'all are under a watch right now. Be safe. I'm going to talk to Willie. See if we can do. Y'all say a prayer for him. He's really sad. That's exactly what I was about to do. Thank you. How did you know that? That's really. Thank you for the love, everybody. Oh, my pleasure, anytime. I actually caught the tornado last night on my scope. It might still be there. From top of the mountain where I live. There are no known casualties right now. I think there's 45 people hurt. Yeah, it's 80. It's like summer today. Is it summer or is it winter?
Oh, it's summer.
I know, it feels like summer, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's summer right now.
I'm not used to it.
Well, it was kind of cooler earlier. Yeah, it was cool.
Nobody died. No thank you.
Yeah, I had my sweater on then. Now it's
I'm gonna go talk to Willie.